Let's dive into a topic that's so important and it's so easy to avoid in your business, and it's accountability. If you don't know who I am, my name's Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com. I started coaching restoration businesses back in 2008, work with folks all over the country, and here's what I'm passionate about. Helping to get more profitable, helping to reduce the chaos and create a more systematic approach to the business. And lastly, build a business that can be sold for a lot of money someday when it's time to move on. All right, let's talk about accountability. I like to think about it in 4 different areas. One is it starts at the top. It starts with the leader. If you aren't accountable, if you don't follow through on your commitments, it's going to be really hard to develop a culture of accountability in your business. So who holds you accountable? Do you have a coach? Do you have a mentor? Do you have the culture with your leadership team that you want them to hold you accountable? It starts at the top. Think about what can you do to be better at following through on your commitments and have some more accountability in your life. Number 2, what's your feedback loop? When something doesn't go as planned or something goes really well, what are you doing to share feedback? I love to use this acronym LBNT, been using it for years. LB stands for like best, NT stands for next time. What did you like best and what will you do differently next time? It's a great way to have a conversation with somebody about how to do more of something that went really well and how to do less and how to course correct if something didn't go well. Easy to use framework, LBNT. Number 3, protect the A players. Accountability is so important when it comes to protecting your team. Imagine you've got an A player. This is the type of person that follows through on commitments. They follow the system, they follow the process. They're just a great team player. When they see that the leader isn't holding somebody else accountable, they might start to think, why am I working so hard? Why do I care so much when the leader doesn't care? Because by not holding other people accountable, you are showing that it's not a priority for you, right? And it can make people less motivated, and it can also cause A players to leave the company. I've seen it happen over and over. Number 4, visibility through scorecards. It's an easy way to let team members know themselves if they're on or off track in, let's say their 2 to 5 most important performance metrics. If you have a weekly goal for the top 2 to 5 performance metrics, and there's easy visibility into these numbers every week we know who's on track and who's off track, and then we know where to put the energy, where to coach, where coaching could be helpful. Again, accountability is huge. If you need help thinking through this, coming up with a strategy on how you can develop more of a culture of accountability in your business, click the link below this video, book a call with me, and we'll talk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.